Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I have a special treat. It's an ice cream cake made by my 3 boys. To make this simple and delicious dessert, you'll need a box of ice cream sandwiches, a container of Cool Whip topping, a bottle of chocolate sauce, and Oreo cookies that you're going to crush up to make a topping. Start by unwrapping the ice cream sandwiches and laying them in a single layer along the bottom of a baking dish. My son is putting 1 layer across, 1 layer along the bottom, and then he cut a little piece just to fill in the blank spot. Then my son took a squeeze bottle of chocolate sauce and made a layer over the ice cream sandwiches, which he smoothed out. While my oldest son was busy putting the first layer in the baking dish, my middle son was busy crushing cookies inside a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin. Just keep crushing them until they're like a powder. Then take the cookie crumbs and sprinkle them over the ice cream sandwiches and chocolate sauce. You can use as much or as little cookies as you want. You can even use bits of chocolate bar, whatever you like. The next layer is Cool Whip that has been thawed out in the fridge. You can just smear it over the sandwiches like icing. Next comes the fun part, decorating the top of the cake. You can really do whatever you want here. My boys decided to use the rest of the cookie crumbs. They also took the jar of chocolate sauce and squeezed a bunch of that onto the top. And then to add a bit of fun and color, they took a package of tiny M&Ms and they sprinkled those over the top of the cake. The last thing to do is cover the cake in plastic wrap and pop it in the freezer. It needs enough time to set and get hard enough to cut. I would say a couple of hours before it's ready to serve. This is a super cute and delicious recipe, and it's perfect for making and enjoying with kids. My boys didn't want to be on camera, but here my youngest is trying the ice cream cake for the first time and he gives it a big thumbs up. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.